Hi, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In front of me I have POCO F8 Ultra. In this video I want to show you how to fix game lag on this device. So to fix game lag and get the maximum frames per second, first of all let's go to settings, and now we want to scroll to the section display and brightness. Now let's scroll to refresh rate section, and now let's select custom mode, and under the section refresh rate you can select up to 120 Hz. And additionally, here at the top you can see this little preview window where you can see how your display behaves in the standard mode and also in the high rate mode. As you can see, in the high rate mode the motion is much more smooth than in standard one. That is basically it, but please note that this high rate mode consumes much more power, your battery, than the standard one, so keep in mind. So that's it. I really hope that this video helps you, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.